Hello everyone, this is my next and amazing product from Zebronics Zeb Sound Bomb 5. It comes in a 5 amazing color. I like the red color because I have the phone case with the red color. It's easy to connect. It has a voice control and a touch control. Just give a tap here to control and stop, attend the call. The connection is very easy. It lasts for 22 hours. However, I have charged this 3 days ago. It still has 3 bar. So it's a good to go product. For connection, it comes with the Type-C USB cord for charging. Let me show you the connection. The Bluetooth is on. Here. Zeb Sound Bomb. Connecting. Connected. 100% battery. It's good to go. The sound is nice. Do try it and do let us know the review about this product.